How to draw Anya Forger.
How to draw anime hair. I will teach you in 1 minute today. Who uses the universal formula taught before? Quick preparation for a cute bald head. Pay attention when drawing hair. Differentiate the front and middle of the hair. The last 3 regions. The area in front is the bangs. The middle area refers to the hair on the sides. The back of the room is demarcated by the ears. Behind the ears to the back of the head. All belong to our later. After dividing these 3 areas, group again. When painting hair, to fork in each group. You have to have big and small forks. Can't all be the same. It's all drawn here. Can you tell which anime character this is? If you know, leave a message in the comment area. Now this cute version of the anime image is drawn. Did you learn it? The next issue will teach you how to color.
Subscribe.